we are able to focus on our office work and able to achieve success because we give the highest priority to our work. When it comes to personal tasks, we do not give higher priority to change that. There are many reasons why you are not able to focus on your personal tasks. One of them could be the task you want to do may not be interesting to you. You need to look into the task. Why, in the first place, you want to do it? If the task is interesting, if it is motivating enough for you, you will anyhow do the task. You won't delay it, you don't push it away, but you will find time to do such task. Since as well. Another reason could be that personal task is not given higher priority. For example, if you like to meditate and then start your day, it means you are giving higher priority to meditation. The meditation you do in the morning is going to help you organize your entire day. It is going to give you enough energy to go through your day. But most of us do the meditation or try to be mindful in the evening hours. When you are totally tired, when you have no more energy, you want to meditate. Now, there is no point in meditating with low energy when you are about to sleep. So, here the priority has to be given to meditation. The priority has to be given to your own task. Unless you give higher priority, your personal tasks are not going to be done. It gets postponed to a later day. We can go on, talk about why you are not able to focus on a personal task. There could be many reasons. But there is also a shortcut. If you practice mindfulness, if you are able to understand the concepts behind mindfulness, if you are able to understand why you need to be mindful, why you need to understand your own reality, then many of these personal tasks will fall in place. You will inherently know which task to focus on. When you are fully aware of your own feelings and emotions, if you are completely aware of your own thoughts, if you are aware of your own environment, how things are at a particular moment, based on all of these things, you work on a task. With this focus, with this kind of mindfulness, when you do a task, you are going to complete the task. The task is going to come out very beautifully. At the same time, you feel satisfaction. Otherwise, when there is no mindfulness, you go by the day. You go by the day based on what is thrown at you. There might be new things that comes up in a day. You get distracted. You want to do those things instead of what is of your highest priority. There is no plan. There is no organization. Mindfulness, if applied in a thoughtful manner, you can organize your day. Mindfulness can give you direction. It can help you pick your priority. Also help you complete a task without any delay. I would ask you to look at what your personal tasks are. How important are they to you? If they are very important, give them the highest priority. After giving a highest priority, you need to have a plan to work on that. If you bring mindfulness to this equation, you will execute the task without any delay. The outcome is going to be beautiful.